what you don't see anymore is drive-in movie theaters. I mean, they're just not around. Record stores, you don't see those. And butchers, old school butchers. You know, ones where they're making the sausage and they're grinding it, the whole real deal. You just don't see them anymore. Well, that's unless you're here on Brigantine Island, right over the bridge from Atlantic City, New Jersey. Oh, you gotta check it out. This is Ernest & Son.
Turkey Club.
Everything's fresh.
Thank you, man. Thanks for coming in.
The quality and the consistency really does set it apart from other places.
4 minutes on the burger.
This is the first stop on the island when we come on.
So when you're coming into town,
Gotta hit Ernest.
and the guy behind the counter is owner and butcher Mel Cortellessa, who took over the place in '07, 30 years after it originally opened. Bro, this is like old school, old school. Who started this?
Ernie Storino was the original owner. His son, Sam, is who I started with. I started when I was 13, sweeping up, putting groceries on the shelves, and fell in love with it.
My dad and I started the store, and I felt very comfortable turning the store over to Mel and know that the tradition would carry on.
So you're doing like real butchering here.
We do beef, veal, lamb, pork, fresh chicken, calves liver, we do everything.
I don't get my meat from the grocery store. I get it only here.
Guys, why don't you try some jerky? It's homemade.
This is the only place that I know of that makes homemade jerky.
My kids love it. They take it by the handful, and it's done within the hour. We have to come back.
Cheers.
Did you just cheers me to eat jerky?
Uh-huh.
It's not too dry, not over-seasoned. It's a nice balance to it.
A little hot, a little sweet, right?
Yeah, it's good jerky.
Great jerky. I'll have another piece.
The jerky is something that's great for tailgating parties.
It's delicious, and he has it from the spiciest you can handle to the more subtle, soft taste.
And the jerky isn't the only draw at this joint.
We're a seasonal community, so summertime, it's heavy on the sandwiches. 600-700 rolls in a day.
Seriously.
Seriously.
Big sandwiches, a lot of meat.
Tailgater.
Basically, it's a sausage and pepper sandwich with cheese on it.
He makes his own sausage.
The spices, the flavors, you can really taste that.
There's a tailgater.
That's how you do it.
That's how we do it.
That's good sausage, man. That was really good sausage.
Thank you.
The key is that fennel.
Think?
Oh, and it gets great flavor all the way through it. And I like the fact that you let it set for a day before you cook it.
Sure.
The bread is nice, tender, but it'll hold it together. Salty provolone.
Good, right? Sharp provolone.
You like to eat.
I like to eat.
Real deal. I love
Appreciate it. Thank you. Tailgater.
The sausage are very, very tender.
The cheese is sliced right here in the shop.
Fresh rolls every day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
To have this on the island is special.
And it's just a dying art.
The fact that you're making it, and you're cutting it, and you're butchering it, and just all these components, I see why when people walk in, they go, I want to have you in my neighborhood.
Yep.
This is the kind of place people would love to
How
have.
many of us left?
Not many.